sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 25th of May. Alabama's weather will stay wet and stormy at times today, tomorrow, and tomorrow night. And then we get a nice push of dry air just in time for the upcoming Memorial Day weekend. Here's the upper air look. Pretty impressive trough here for this time of the year. Got a big trough that's negative tilt out across the Great Plains states, producing unsettled weather across much of the southern and central U.S. That was the radar this morning. About 5 o'clock, a large mass of rain and storms across the southwestern counties of the state. Again, pretty balmy this morning, mostly upper 60s and low 70s. Highs most likely upper 70s today because of clouds and rain. There is a flash flood watch in effect today for the southwestern corner of the state, but understand everybody will get a good soaking with beneficial rain between now and tomorrow night. Around the nation, flash flood watches on over to parts of southeastern Texas and a severe thunderstorm watch up early this morning for the Texas coastal plain. Got a marginal risk of severe storms today from the Gulf Coast up to the southern Great Lakes. That would include all 67 Alabama counties. And the same thing tomorrow. The entire state with a marginal risk. That's level 1 out of 5. We'll talk about the threats here in a moment. Here's the larger look across the country tomorrow. That risk extends up to places like Detroit and Cleveland, Erie, Pennsylvania. This is day 3, which is Friday. Risk of severe storms for the Atlantic coast. Day 4, Saturday, a risk for parts of South Dakota and some of the adjacent states. And then day 5, which is Sunday, a risk over Minnesota and some of the adjoining states. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, and for us, the bulk of this will be between now and tomorrow night. Additional rain amounts between 2 and 3 inches are likely. Good, beneficial rain. We need that as we approach the beginning of meteorological summer. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. A very impressive trough and upper low across the plain states. And again, for us, cloudy, wet, rain, and thunderstorms through tonight. Maybe some strong storms. The threat would be from hail and gusty winds, but again, the bottom line is just wet. We'll be in the 70s all day. Now, tomorrow, the surface low is near St. Louis. And again, with dynamic support, going to be an interesting weather day, an active day. This is the high-res NAM tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. And at that point, a large mass of rain and storm should be moving through the state. And that might prevent a big problem with severe weather. When you get this big mass of rain in the morning, limiting instability. This is 3 o'clock, a new round of storms forming on the western side of the state. The instability value is not that high for late May for the northern half of the state. They're higher down to the south. But there is some helicity here. This is the SRH, the storm relative helicity, between 0 and 1 kilometers. And you can see those numbers are pretty impressive for this time of the year. And again, there could be an isolated tornado. This is the significant tornado parameter. I don't think it's a major problem, but just be aware of that and just kind of be weather aware tomorrow. But again, heavier storms could produce hail, strong winds, and maybe an isolated tornado somewhere. And then Friday, here comes the dry slot as that upper low passes north of the state. But underneath that cold core upper low, there could be a few showers over the Tennessee Valley. If you're in Huntsville, the Shoals, Scottsboro, Athens, there could be a few showers on Friday. The rest of the state, partly sunny with highs in the mid to upper 70s. Very pleasant for May. Saturday is the long holiday weekend begins, a beautiful day. Sunny, we start the day in the 50s in many areas, the high in the low 80s, below average. This is Sunday, sunny with mid to upper 80s. And Monday, Memorial Day, a sunny day with a high pretty close to 90. So a dry holiday weekend coming up. Go to Tuesday, we're still dry. This is a week from today, Wednesday, the 1st of June, first day of meteorological summer. Troughing over the high plains, 588 upper high over the Great Lakes, and an upper low that's east of Jacksonville. And moisture with that feature off the South Atlantic coast could bring some showers to Georgia, the Carolinas, but Alabama still looking dry Wednesday of next week. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday, June 3rd, troughing on the South Atlantic coast, and there could be a few spotty showers around maybe by Thursday and Friday of next week. This is the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 4 inches between now and the 9th of June. Temperatures 70s tomorrow and Friday. How about that? 81 Saturday. Then next week, highs around 90. And the latest 8 to 14 day outlook, this is for June 1st through June 7th. Below average up north, temperatures a little above average down here across the deep south. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.